Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a simple idea into a thriving business? Well, let's embark on a journey through Europe and explore some of the most innovative business ideas that are shaping the continent's economic landscape. Imagine sitting in a snug cafe in the heart of Paris. The air is rich with the scent of freshly brewed coffee, and the atmosphere is buzzing with the energy of entrepreneurs discussing their next big venture. This is the birthplace of many a successful business idea, a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit that thrives across Europe. One of the most captivating trends sweeping across the continent is experiential dining. Dining is no longer just about the food, but about the entire experience. From underwater restaurants in Norway to treetop dining experiences in Sweden, these unique ventures have not only captured the imaginations of locals and tourists alike, but have also revolutionized the dining industry. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Europe has seen a surge in the popularity of artisanal and locally sourced products. From handcrafted goods to organic skincare, these businesses cater to the increasing demand for sustainable and unique products, proving that there's room for everyone in the business world. Now let's shift gears and look at the tech scene. Major cities like Berlin, London and Helsinki have become tech powerhouses, fostering numerous startups and disruptive ideas. The vibrant startup scene in these cities provides a conducive environment for entrepreneurs with groundbreaking ideas in fields like artificial intelligence, clean energy and immersive technologies. But the opportunities aren't just confined to the bustling cities. Europe's serene countryside also offers unique business ventures. The rise of agritourism and sustainable farming practices has paved the way for businesses that promote local produce, farm-to-table experiences and eco-friendly initiatives. In summary, Europe is a melting pot of innovative business ideas, from experiential dining and artisanal product creation to tech startups and sustainable farming. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just someone seeking inspiration, remember that every great venture starts with a simple idea. And who knows, the next big business idea might just be brewing in your mind right now.